see, this is the problem for that rattle. See, this ain't even sitting flush. I got this tucked up under here. This is supposed to be on this side of the ears, of the brackets. They got them tucked in right here, so I guarantee that'll fix our issue with these noisy front brakes. Let's figure it out real quick. All right, now we got it on there how it's supposed to be, with the ears on this side of the bracket. Everything's sitting flush now. So we're gonna slap this wheel on, do the same to the other side, and see what happens.